We can use the strips shown to investigate the interaction between electric charges. The white strips are made of polythene, while the transparent strips are made of acetate. First, rub the polythene strips with a duster. Bring the strips together. You can see that the strips repel each other. Now, rub the acetate strips with the duster. Bring them together. Again, the two strips repel each other. Finally, bring a rubbed polythene strip and a rubbed acetate strip together. In this case, the strips attract each other. Can you explain the above phenomena?